Welcome back. You're on a spontaneous adventure, exploring a new city. You found the perfect souvenir, but the only way to pay is cash. What if your bank account doesn't allow you to withdraw enough? It's a frustrating situation, right? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Monzo and answer the burning question: how much can you actually withdraw from your Monzo account? Understanding Monzo's withdrawal limits. Monzo is a popular digital bank known for its flexibility and convenience. When it comes to withdrawals, Monzo has a few limits in place to ensure the security of your funds. Daily withdrawal limit. This is the maximum amount you can withdraw from ATMs in a single day. While the exact amount may vary depending on your individual circumstances, Monzo typically sets a daily limit that's high enough for most everyday needs. Monthly withdrawal limit. If you're planning a larger withdrawal, such as for a vacation or a big purchase, it's important to be aware of Monzo's monthly withdrawal limit. This limit is generally higher than the daily limit, allowing you to withdraw a substantial amount of cash over a longer period. ATM network limits. Keep in mind that some ATM networks may have their own withdrawal limits. If you're using an ATM that's not part of Monzo's network, you may encounter additional restrictions. Factors affecting withdrawal limits. Several factors can influence your withdrawal limits on Monzo. Account type. The type of Monzo account you have can impact your withdrawal limits. For example, premium accounts may offer higher limits compared to standard accounts. Account age. Monzo may gradually increase your withdrawal limits as your account ages. This is a common practice to build trust and confidence in your account. Transaction history. Your past transaction history can also play a role. If you have a history of responsible spending and avoiding suspicious activity, Monzo may be more likely to increase your limits. Identity verification. To ensure the security of your funds, Monzo may require you to verify your identity before increasing your withdrawal limits. This typically involves providing additional documentation, such as a copy of your passport or driving license. Tips for managing withdrawal limits. If you find that Monzo's withdrawal limits are restricting your financial freedom, here are a few tips to help you manage your funds effectively. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need to withdraw a large amount of cash for a specific purpose, plan ahead and make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. Consider alternative payment methods. In some cases, using alternative payment methods, such as contactless cards or mobile payments, can be more convenient and avoid withdrawal limits altogether. Contact Monzo customer support. If you have concerns about your withdrawal limits or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to Monzo's customer support team. They can provide you with more information and help you resolve any issues. Review your account regularly. Keep an eye on your Monzo account to ensure that your withdrawal limits are sufficient for your needs. If you notice any changes or have questions, contact Monzo for clarification. Conclusion. So, how much can you withdraw from Monzo? The answer depends on several factors, including your account type, account age, transaction history, and identity verification. While Monzo has limits in place to protect your funds, you can generally withdraw enough cash for most everyday needs. By understanding Monzo's withdrawal limits and following the tips we've discussed, you can effectively manage your finances and enjoy the convenience of using Monzo for your banking needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.